Hello, my name is Yon, and this is my older brother, Tenchi.
And we are going to show you how to make a simple hydroponics setup.
So today we're going to make a hydroponic plant, and here are the materials we need. So here is a nutrition solution for the plants we're going to use, a hole saw, an electric drill,
Or trying to make a hole in the PVC
pipe over there, and then a ruler for measuring length, and then
we also got the elbow pipe. Then we got the couple pipe, which helps link other pipes together. Then we got the end pipe, which the size is 4 inches and it covers the PVC pipe. Then we got a cup here, which is for planting. And then there's the PVC pipe. Here is the pipe, the PVC pipe, and the size is 4 inches, the hole. So first we're going to draw a line, and this will be used as a guide with the help of a meter, ruler, and pencil. Let's start. Okay, so what my brother is going to do is that he's going to measure at least a distance of 6 inches from the end of this hole here. And then year one will also have to measure another one, but this time 8 inches away from the other marker. You see, you want gonna make a marker for us to drill a hole, and it's gonna be 8 inches apart from each other, so that when we drill a hole, we can easily identify on where we're going to drill it, all the way to there. Okay, so now that we already have a guide hole, I'm gonna have to go insert this in so that we can drill a hole for us to place the cup and use on the top. Warning, do not try this at home, and do this only if you have adults' permission.
so now that I'm done drilling all these holes,
We are gonna drill a hole later soon, and then we will put a cup in here. That's what these holes are for, because that's where the pot is going to be placed. Okay, so next we're going to place the end pipe or the end cover over here, and we're gonna seal it to prevent any water from going out of this pipe.
we're gonna do it on both sides.
Okay, it's a bit high. Okay, there we go. Okay. So now we're going to place this PVC pipe on the rack over there to get it ready for aquaponics. Come on.
It's hydroponics.
Okay, now a bit there. Right. Okay, now push it. There. So this drone. Wait, other side.
So I'll wrap this rope around this pipe so that I can tie it to the screw on the wall. So now what we're going to do is we're going to attach the pipe onto that meter bucket over there in the ground. I'm tightening this with a zip tie so that the pipe will not fall off. So then I'm holding. So you hold that while I'll use a zip tie to tighten this. Tight right here on the rack over here. As you can see, it goes down below right here and then up here. So yeah, with the help of this and the zip wire, This is zip tie. It goes around here so that it won't fall off. Also with the help of this.
We're gonna go fill this up with water. There we go. There we go. So next we're gonna have to put this up here. Place this in here. And then finally stick this here. And then this makes it closer. We've already put the water pump inside and now we're going to do a leak test. Leaking? Okay, water started pouring.
Water started pouring in. Watch it. Not working.
It's just because it's still filling up water, it's not good. So, okay, so now that there is no leak, before we are going to plant
Or put any nutrients here. We will leave this overnight so that any impurities or chlorine will evaporate from the water into the air,
so these are cocoa peats or
otherwise known as cocoa coir.
and this here is what we're going to use as soil for the hydroponics. It will act like it.
So yeah, we'll finish cutting this up and then get straight to it.
These are the plants that we're going to use for our hydroponics over there. We're gonna use loose leaf lettuce, some pechay, and also lemon basil.
Yeah, I'm going to bring a little bit of soil.
Okay, so we're gonna place in the nutrients. We're gonna do 5 syringes on each
of these.
The syringe equals to 20 milliliters. Syringe 1. Adult supervision is a must.
Fourth one. Finally, the syringe fill the nutrients for other plants. So yes, that should circulate around here and back there. All the plants in there. Start. That is why it's touching.
How many holes?
4 left. So if you're asking how many times we need to put the nutrients in this drum, actually we only need to do it once because it will continuously feed the plants so long as there's still water. And hydroponics does not require fish like aquaponics. Instead, it requires nutrient solutions like these, which will stay in here and feed plants like this so long as there's still water, like I said earlier.
Here's the difference between hydroponics and aquaponics. When it comes to aquaponics, the nutrients rely on these fishes, which is where the nutrients will come from. And the nutrients, in fact, is poop. So the nutrients will go all the way to this water pump and be brought to the filter bucket over here. And it will be sent to the plant area through this hose, and all the way down here where the plants are being placed, and which in turn the plants will be collecting the nutrients as it flows all the way here. And the water will go back down to the fish pond where the cycle will start all over again. While in hydroponics, it does rely on fishes to do the work. Like what we did over there, we actually put vitamins and nutrients in here. And if you look, you can see that this is where plants get their nutrients, right here. See this string? Yeah, it came from the aquaponic over here. The aquaponic plant over here. And guess what? It's actually going inside our house. That's hydroponics. And that's it for today.
I hope you learned something from our hydroponic setup. And thank you.
If you have any suggestions or questions, please comment down below. Please smack the like button and also hit the notification bell, and don't forget to press the subscribe button.
Paka paka.